Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and happy Earth Day. It is April 22nd. Today our Give a Scrap Hop host is Miss Carrie the Paper Monkey. So if you haven't, hop on over and check out her video. All of the links are in the description box in the original launch video, and they're also in my playlist. I have all of the videos thus far in the playlist. So check it out, and happy Earth Day. It's a great day to give a scrap. So what are we doing? This is going to be quickie. But if you watched my one of my birthday videos where I got the most beautiful, lovely, amazing Shirley Temple journal from Sandy, who is Wilhelmina, she inspired me because this little dress was on one of the pages, and it's actually a paperclip. Super, super simple. But I have worked with my paper doll clothes several times in different ways, and I've never done those. And I thought, we're going to try it. So I grabbed some that I thought would work best. And all I did, they were, you know, they're paper, right? So I did back all of them with, what do you call that? File folder. And so all of these already have their backs on them, except for this one that I'm going to show you. Then what I did is I took another piece of the file folder. I had to make sure that they all fit like in the, the tucks of the waist there so that it wouldn't go over. I put the long end on the outside, and then I just glued them on the back, just like she did. I mean, how much easier can you get? I really love the paper dolls. I like to experiment with them, use them in fashion journals and kind of the vintage reader type of journals and things like that. So this will be nice to have a nice stash of these. Now, because I'm using a file folder, it is a little, you got to be a little more assertive with keeping it from coming away while it's drying. So I'm just going to stick another paper clip on it, and I'm going to hold it down for a second. You'll have to forgive me. I'm doing several videos today. And I was not very smart. I wasn't thinking. And I did the video that was the fingerprint kindergarten craft video first. Yeah, that's what I get for thinking. Okay, we're going to set this one aside. And then I just thought, gosh, that's going to be like a 2-minute video. So why don't we decorate some of these? This is a bunch of this trim. You saw this in one of my hauls, and it's actually got a little bit of adhesive on it. But I just added some glue, and I thought maybe if I could find some little tiny rhinestones, it would be fun to add. Maybe I have some right here. Do I? Sorry, every time I open that up. Or pearls. Let's see. I see pearls. Are they tiny enough? Let's put them on. I just think it would be cute with on the buttons. She's got little white. Yeah, these will work. Okay, so I'm going to put 4 buttons on. I just grabbed out a couple little things. We don't need much on these. We really didn't need anything, but I liked what Sandy did with her little ribbon there. So I thought, well, we'll just... Okay. Now, am I going to need my tweezers? Maybe. Maybe, baby. Where's the... These are all really... Well, we'll use them. It's going to be hard with these needle nose tweezers. Well, this should be fun. Watch Angela struggle. How about we just do it like that? Oh my gosh. I don't know. I used this soap that Landon uses when he does when he's worked on his car. And it stinks just like, it smells almost like, I don't know, like a garage. Fix-It shop. And I thought, oh, that will work. It will come, that should make it come off. Nope. Not even close. So apparently it takes grease off, but not, oh no, I'm going to sneeze. Sorry. Oh, that was out of nowhere. All right, so that one we're going to call good and done. Now, let's do this one. I wasn't really sure about it, but I think we're going to do it anyway. So this one is finished. I'll put you next to Sandy's. This was from a paper doll. This is what this looked like before, and I just used watercolor markers to zhuzh it up a little bit. But I thought maybe we can, I'm going to get my lighter out. I did this once, but just in case, let's just go. Wow, did that just wing? That just went flying, didn't it? Let's just see if we just put it at the very bottom so we still can see some of the pink there. I think it'll work. And I kind of like to, you know, do that. This would work to do that much better if I had hot glue. But I didn't bust out my hot glue gun, so we're just going to go with it. And I'll just tuck a little dot of glue right there. And maybe just a little bit right there, just to give it kind of a, there we go. Yeah, I don't love it, but it's fine. All right, so you're done. Now we got this one. I think we're just going to stick just for a little something, something. We'll put this on her right at the waist. Yeah, so if you have some paper dolls and you're looking at ways to use them, this is a great, well, that just doesn't want to, that really doesn't want to stay on there at all. Huh. I think we're just going to have to leave it alone, but it looks pretty cute. Oop, I see a little, let's make sure. I loved those little bows on the bottom, so I wanted to keep them there. Okay, and then this one, what are we going to do with this one? Oh, this is some string I found in my own stash, or yarn, I don't know. It was from Close to My Heart. I thought that might work, and then I thought we would put just that right there. So let's do that and let that dry while I'm putting on this. This is going to be really, we'll see how this goes. I just wanted to give these a little bit of texture. I thought that would work. My fingers are all sticky though. And I can always cut off the excess, right? Just a little something, something. Come on, get over there. Yeah, that's kind of cute. I'm not going to cut it off. Well, I want, do I want to use this top? That just gives it a kind of a nice little, I think we can make it work. It's glue. Way more than I needed. Just a little zhuzhing up on that. And where did that go? There we go. There. Super simple idea. So thank you, Sandy. If you haven't went over and subscribed to her, What you waiting for? She's amazing. All right, look, leave it alone, Angela. Let it dry. I said I wasn't going to cut off those pieces, but I did. Okay, so just like that, lickety split, the thing that takes the longest is actually cutting them out. That's it. Okay, so with you, let's see. Maybe. I was thinking, maybe we'll do it here and then up at the top. I like that. Let's do that. Yes, ma'am. I originally was thinking it would go cute across the bottom, but that's pretty stinking cute. Okay, I have to cut this because I need it for the top. Super cute. Just adds a little punch to it, doesn't it? This, I think, would be so cute in a cooking journal. Let's see. I'm going to cut this. Whoops. Maybe. I think we'll be okay. It should be long enough. Hopefully not too long. Oh, it's too long. Doggone it. Nothing a little scissor action can't help with. Choose these baby ones. Come on. There we go. All right. And now we'll add this little gingham bow on here, which I think we probably want it over here, so not in the middle. Okay. And that's all there is to it. And we have, in a real hot minute, 6 different little paperclip dresses and outfits to add to our journals. How about that? So this was Sandy's original inspo, and these are from the paper dolls. I love them. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you're having a fantastic Earth Day, and you're playing along, watching all the videos of the fabulous content creators who are doing the Give a Scrap Hop. And if you want to learn more about that, you can go to the playlist and watch them all, and also enter to win the drawing for a journal that I will be giving away on the 30th. So until next time, friends, remember to take time to just be, and we will see you soon. Cheers.